Hi guys, welcome to AR Channel PH. So mabilis ang parking guide video lang tayo. Then andito tayo guys sa Malolos, Bulacan, Vista Mall or sa All Homes. Yan. So galing tayo ng Quezon City. Nag-NLEX tayo for around 2 hours. Then MacArthur Highway, binaybay natin to Manila End Road. So yan guys, makikita nyo sa gilid sa right side yung entrance ng Vista Mall or nung All Homes. Yan. So if curious kayo guys kung may parking sa All Homes or Vista Mall, ito yung video para sa inyo. Panoorin nyo lang guys. Yan. So meron parking dito, open parking naman. Yan, dyan mag-uumpisa sa kung nakikita nyo. Sa left side meron, sa kabilang side meron, dito rin sa right side meron. Yan. So yung parking dito guys pala is open parking. Yan, open parking, wala akong binayaran na parking fee. Siguro para sa mga customer nila to. Ito yung magandang parking, no? Walang bayad. Yan. And yung mga parking guys, medyo puno tong araw na to kasi Friday that time. Tapos parang labasan na ng mga estudyante, ng mga empleyado. So yan, marami. Pero marami pang spot doon sa sa bandang dulo. So yan, dito pwede tayo mag U-turn dito. Pwede kayong dito, may parking pa dito. Pag dumiretso ata kayo, iba ng place yun. Ito may parking dito, yan. Entrance, ito yung entrance. So mabilis lang naman nakapag-park. And safe naman. So yun guys, don't forget to subscribe. Like nyo na rin yung video for more videos like this. Then comment lang kayo if may mga questions kayo or opinion and suggestions. Yun. Thank you guys. AR Channel PH out. Bye.
Simple persistence of the
You're listening to the Drive Time Show on RJ FM. Hello and welcome back to the Drive Time Show with me, your Drive Time DJ Gerald, until 7 p.m. Let's get some more greetings in before we get back to the music. Happy birthday, Angel and Ina from Keep Enjoying Live.
Head southwest toward MacArthur Highway, Manila North Road. In 200 meters, turn left onto MacArthur Highway, Manila North Road.
Next, hello to the lovely Maribel Palillo. Hello to Ma Anthony Santos and the Santos and Cruz family of Cavite, and I would like to shout out to Boss Ara of Cavite.
Take the next left onto MacArthur Highway, Manila North Road.
Family of Las Piñas who's always tuned in, and of course to another lovely lady, Alice Barreto of Santa Rosa, Laguna. Happy Friday. Keep those messages coming. Text me at 0960-382-5062, and of course through Facebook at facebook.com/RJ100. Next up, we have a song by the John Lennon.
on R9 for 8 kilometers.
His tragic death, sadly. So sadly, this was his last single released in his lifetime, making it